How to change phone number on Badoo. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video we will discuss if you can change your phone number on Badoo. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. When you log into your Badoo account, you will come to the encounter section like this. Now tap on your profile on the bottom right. Then after, tap on the settings icon on the top. After that, it will take you to the settings page. Now if you have created your account using an email address, then it will show you an email address in the account section as you can see on the screen. However, if you have created an account using your phone number, it will show your phone number instead of the email account. So simply tap on account, then it will take you to a screen like this. Now when you tap on the phone number that you find on the screen, you will notice that you can't tap on it or make any changes. That is because you can't change a phone number on the Badoo app after you have used a particular one while creating your account. So basically you cannot change the phone number that you have used on your Badoo app. If you want to use a different phone number, you will have to delete the current account and then create a new Badoo account with the new phone number. I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel for further videos.